Hey queens, and welcome for another video. Thank you for tuning in. Today we will be reviewing the Ardell Defining Brow Kit. If you want to know my thoughts on that, please stay tuned. So don't you go anywhere. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and meet you on the next clip. And today for this particular video, I am here to review the Ardell Brow Defining Kit. And this is how it looks on the inside. And what you're supposed to do is be able to mix the 3 shades for a more natural look. And also it comes with a brow grooming pencils. It's kind of like wax to be able to help lay down your lashes. And it comes with a eyebrow spoolie and a slanted pencil. So good. I know their lashes are thebomb.com, but I want to see what the brow defining kit lives up to the reputation of the lashes. So we are going to give it a go. And if you haven't already, please make sure that you subscribe below and give me a thumbs up, and let me know, comment below once the video is over, whether or not you will be looking into buying this product, or if it's a thumbs up or thumbs down, or you're not really interested. Let me know your thoughts, or even let me know if you used it before, or if you have any suggestions towards anything that would perform better. So let's get started. So first I am going to brush my hairs all in the same direction. And then next I am going to go in with the brow grooming pencil. And as you can see, it's like a waxy substance. So, and I have already used this, by the way. I'm just reviewing on camera, you know. I like to review products also, so if I can help you guys not have to spend all your coins on stuff. That pencil is very good because it does lay it down so that your brows aren't really going anywhere. So next we are going to go in with the shades, which is this. So they say you're supposed to mix the 3 shades. I don't know how I feel about that. Let's mix the 3 shades on one brow and see how that turns out. Okay, so looking at it firsthand, it's just a tad bit darker than what I'm used to. Just a tad though. Okay. And what I'm going to do is, because I'm not crazy about all 3 of the colors together, as you can see. So what I think I want to do is try maybe these 2 shades alone. Let's give it a go. Okay. So let's try cleaning it up and see how I like it. Maybe I warm up to it if I clean up a little bit. And what I'm going to do is go ahead and clean up with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn. And we're going to clean it up and see if maybe I'll like the product a little bit better once I do my normal eyebrow routine, which is clean it up with the concealer. Let's try that. Okay, now it says that you're supposed to be able to use this shade right here and then put it under your eyes, you know, kind of like an eyebrow highlight to lift the eyebrow and give definition. So for the sake of this video and reviewing this product, we'll go ahead and review that as well. Okay, so I have done that, and what I'm going to do is do my face and kind of see maybe if I, you know, do some other stuff, maybe I like it a little better. So I'll do that and I'll give you my review. Be back. It's the final product review time. How do I feel about the Ardell Brow Defining Kit? Now to be honest with you, that don't mean like I totally hate it. It's just I feel like I get better results from just my plain Wet n Wild pencil and everything, which I will list in the description box below, my link to my eyebrow tutorial. I want to do a better quality eyebrow tutorial, which will probably be my next video. But I do like the pencil. I definitely, where is it? I definitely like the grooming brow pencil. Now that is a definite, because I like the fact that it lays down the hairs. It doesn't look greasy, so to say. And then when you brush it with the spoolie, it kind of like keeps it nice and slick. Because if your eyebrows are like mine, sometimes they tend to do their own thing throughout the day, which I will go ahead and set my eyebrows with my NYX Control Freak gel, eyebrow gel. So I would say this, which is cheaper for me, this set is, which comes with the pencil, the quad palette, and the double-ended brush. That is actually cheaper for me than to buy the eyebrow pencil, the concealer, the NYX Control Freak, and do I do anything else? And like a regular like brush to go ahead and smooth out the concealer. So I would say that this is probably cheaper for me. It would be a good palette or a good kit to take if you're going on a trip. You're going, on a trip and you want to bring the bare minimum products. I would say that this would be most convenient. So out of 1 to 10, I would give this product like an 8. I'm not crazy of the highlighted shade that they give you to highlight your brow bone. I'm not crazy about that shade. You know what type of shade I like, which is out of the Jaclyn Hill palette, the color In Light. So yeah, so I give this a 8 out of 10. I would suggest getting it, especially if you're just now getting into doing your eyebrows. It is a nice, neat, and handy kit. Will I be using in the future? Yes, I will. Now, I'm not crazy about mixing the 3 shades together. I like the brown and black better, because I feel like when I use this shade also, it gives me like an ashy film, and I don't like that. So these 2 shades are more of my speed, and I use the Sima Brown in the Wet n Wild Color Code pencil. So those 2 shades together kind of give me that tint. So that is all for this video. I thank you so much for tuning in for yet another one. Don't forget to subscribe, like my page,